Excellent.
Ship back. This is the door now. Ship back.
Hey, sir, you are blocking us now. Bros, who are these people now? Don't talk to us now. You guys will stay now.
Gentlemen of the press,
That's my Lord N6.
you must have seen the national chairman and our presidential candidate attending our meeting, which is the first after our national convention. On this note, therefore, on behalf of my colleagues, the governors, let me commend our leaders and members of our party for a very successful national convention, and to say that the national chairman, along with the candidate, came to thank the governors for their various roles in the convention, and we have discussed about cooperation, collaboration, and prosecuting a very, very successful electioneering campaign that will result into victories for the PDP at various elections from State Houses of Assembly, National Assembly, governorship, and the presidential election come February 2023. So it's more of a consultative meeting on the matters concerning the way forward.
Is the issue of running mate discussed at your meeting?
It's part of the consultation, it's ongoing, and governors are being consulted also on that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.